everyone, in this video we're gonna learn how to create a Fortnite account. So if you want to create a Fortnite account, then you'll first need to create an Epic Games account. If you don't have Epic Games account yet, simply go ahead and open up a web browser. In the URL box, type in www.epicgames.com/Fortnite. Press enter on your keyboard and then you'll end up in the official site. To start off with Fortnite, first go ahead and sign into your Epic Games account. Click the sign in button at the top right hand corner and then select one of the sign in methods to log in. If you don't have an Epic Game account yet, click on the sign up link at the bottom of the page and then select a sign up method and get started signing up. You can select any one option from the display. Once you click on sign up, go ahead and enter the required information such as your name, email address, date of birth, and password, and verify your email address. After you're logged into your account, click on this Play Now button at the top right. Now, it says that in order to download the Fortnite and get started with it, you'll need to download the Epic Games launcher on your PC. Click on the download now link and download the launcher first. Here I've already downloaded the Epic Games launcher. After you are done with it, click it open. Now you'll also need to log into your Epic Game account on the Epic Game launcher. Once you do that, you can go to the search box at the top and search for Fortnite. In the search result, click on the Fortnite game and then get it downloaded by clicking on the Get button, which should appear right on the right side of the screen. Once you do that, the game will exist on your library. Simply go ahead and download and install the game on your PC, and once you are done with it, the game will be available right on your launcher and on your desktop shortcut. Now, launch Open Fortnite to get started and wait for it to load. You'll be able to see the game start right away and you'll be logged in automatically once you are logged into your Epic Games account. You will not need to create a new account after you get inside the game. You'll be able to start the game with your Epic Game account details just as you can see it. And that is how you should be able to create an account. You can now go ahead and start the game by clicking the play button, and that is it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.